Hey everyone, wondering where to send your H4 EAD and I-765 application? Let's get your answer in just 60 seconds. To start, your submission address depends on your specific case and eligibility category. So how do you find out? First, head to the USCIS website. Look for direct filing addresses for Form I-765. It's updated regularly, so it's your best source. Next, identify your eligibility category on the I-765 instructions. For H4 EAD, it's usually C26. Match a category to the correct address listed. Well, there might be different ones for USPS and courier services like FedEx. Quick tips: always double check the address for updates. Consider sending with tracking and maybe include a cover letter summarizing your application. There you go. Follow these steps and you're on the right track. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick guides. Got questions? Comment below. Until next time, take care.
Are you an IT consultant seeking a new opportunity? We offer job placement services for US citizens, green cards, EADs, and visa holders. We also sponsor various work visas like H1B, E3, TN, and green cards. 20 plus years of experience in the industry. Exceptional employee benefits. Highly rated by our employees. Global presence with 200 plus recruiters and direct clients. Connect with us. Call us on the number 833-412-8472 or mail us at support@higheritpeople.com or visit our website www.higheritpeople.com.